Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. I'm back with another reading for you all, and this time it's for to see what's in store for you on your financial front. It's a pick a card reading. I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1 with the amethyst crystal. I'll be using the Art of Tarot deck, and also for guidance I'll be using the Mystical Wisdom cards. This is pile number 2 with the green emerald, and this is the Mystic Mondays tarot deck. Along with this, I'll be using the Moonology cards for guidance. And this is pile number 3 with the rose quartz crystal. This is the Rider's Waite deck, and I'll be using the miracle cards for guidance. So please choose your pile. Look carefully, see which pile attracts you. Think about your financial situation while you're choosing the pile. And I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. Also, this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Let's see what we have in store for you. I'll see you at your pile. So please think about your situation. People who've chosen this particular pile, pile number 1. What is in store for you regarding your finances? The more you concentrate, the more you try to think about your situation. It helps you in connecting to the cards. It helps you to gain, answers, whatever you're looking for. So people who've chosen this particular pile, I see that in your recent past, there has been some kind of a stagnancy when it comes to your finances, maybe some kind of a stoppage, or you not really progressing on the financial front, but you have already come a long way and you are in the process of, whatever struggle, whatever stoppage there was, whatever blocks there were, they're definitely, moving, and you are already on the beginning of a beautiful journey when it comes to your financial success or financial, progress. I definitely see you being content. I see you getting satisfied. I see your hard work paying off, and you're already on that particular path. And I definitely see celebration is on the cards. So financial position is definitely getting better, and I definitely see you, yes, blessings are there on the cards. Divine intervention is definitely there on the cards for you people who've chosen pile number 1. You get to know exactly what you need to do, whether it's, you want to invest your money, or you want to, improve your finances, or your finances were stuck somewhere, whatever it is, you exactly know what you need to do, what where you need to be. Your struggle is over. Things are very crystal clear in front of you when it comes to your financial position, and it's just that you need to execute this well. Like I just said, you have everything ready in your hand. Maybe you have that kind of financial control, or you have that kind of abundance when it comes to your finances. It's now this time where you just need to decide what exactly you need to do, what move you have to make, whether it's for your expansion, whether it's to put this aside. Whatever you need to do, it depends on your execution, but rest, you are the master of your life at the moment. You're the master of your finances. You have been given whatever you have really put in. Your efforts are paying off, and you just need to seek the correct knowledge. You need to know exactly, like I just said, what you're going to do with this finance, what you're going to actually, how you're going to be using it. That's what is the main question at the moment, and that's what the mystical cards are guiding you, that please seek the right knowledge, or seek the correct advice regarding this particular situation, this particular financial progress that has just entered your life, or is or you're on the right path of achieving this. This is the moment where you can really live in this moment. This is the time to celebrate. Like I just said, celebration is on the cards. Whatever has happened in the past, whatever stoppage, whatever blockages there were, they have been left behind. So now it's time to cheer up and enjoy the current moment. And for a lot of you, This is a beautiful time for you to follow your dreams and be very creative, since you have that kind of a hand over your finances and there is no dearth of anything that I see. I see perfection is there. Yes, there is definitely good fortune coming in. So just let this, magic begin your life, and let it just enter your life without any past blockages. I see new beginnings for a lot of you. And since this is a financial reading, so yes, whatever blockages, whatever problems you had on the financial front, I don't really see problems, but I definitely see that you had some kind of a blockage or some kind of a stagnancy, dullness on the financial front, which now I definitely see is getting over. You're already set. The planets are, the destiny is already taking you to the side wherein the positivity begins. For a lot of you, 8 days from now, you will start seeing how this new, fortune or this new magic starts coming into your life. And for a lot of you, it might just take some more time, but be rest assured that the financial situation for you, pile number 1, is extremely positive. It's extremely well. You just need to plan wisely. You need to know what exactly you want to do with these funds, or what you really want to do with your finances, so that you are able to either save them for tomorrow, or just park them somewhere, or invest, or whatever it is that is currently up to you. So please take your advice. I hope the reading was resonant and it was helpful for you. And please leave your comments in the comments section. You can also send in your requests and feedback. And please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2. Please think about your situation, financial situation at the moment. People who've chosen pile number 2. Please try and concentrate as much as you can. The more you concentrate, the more it helps you to connect with your situation as well as your, the cards. And I'm just shuffling in the cards for you. So people who've chosen pile number 2, I definitely see that there is, in the past, you've been very lucky when it comes to your financial situation. You were content, you were happy. At this point in time, you're definitely feeling that maybe you need to now need some kind of help, or you want things to get under control. And you're putting in hard, your efforts are definitely going to pay off, and you are definitely putting in hard work for generating finances. And I see that balance is on the cards. Everything will be balanced out for you. Like, this is a time where you're feeling, or maybe in the recent future, you start feeling a little overburdened because of your work. But please, it's just a temporary phase. There is just a little bit of waiting before you reach that point wherein you can say that yes, I'm happy and I'm content like you were before. This is just a testing period. Maybe you require some kind of help. Maybe you require some kind of guidance. So don't shy away from taking that when it comes to your financial situation. And like I just said, your hard work is paying off. Just keep at it. It's just a little bit of more time. An unexpected fortune is definitely coming. And you will just, like I just said, you need that little bit of help. Maybe you're just feeling that your efforts, whatever efforts you're putting in, you are not getting the 100% return. You're just getting about 75% of it. So it's all right. Don't make yourself miserable because of that. I'm assuring you that whatever efforts you're putting in, your financial returns are coming back to you. A matter of 28 days for a lot of you for things to just get under control. Maybe you've invested somewhere, or you've made some kind of move, you've bought something, and your finances have gone a little haywire. So it's just a temporary phase. And be rest assured, like I just said, 28 days. I'm again repeating 3.5 weeks for a lot of you. And you'll be again ready, set, go, and you'll be again ready to splurge. You'll be again ready in that mode where you'll be like, wow, I'm again back to a good financial situation. my current finances are going great. Also, please be aware or beware of who you're taking this help from or some kind of advice. Please beware of a third person when it comes to your financial situation. Make sure you're not sharing this situation with too many people or with the wrong people. It brings you stress otherwise, and it just unnecessarily makes you, your hard work. Maybe you'll just have to do it all from scratch. So don't share this information with anybody at this point in time. And whatever confusions, like I just said, you might need some help, you might need some advice, and I do see you getting confused on some fronts. So make sure that this person is very trustworthy, and that this person should be a person of knowledge who actually can help you. Do not just gossip about your financial situation unnecessarily, and this is not the time to trust anybody except you are really sure of this particular person who you can. And I just said unexpected fortunes coming your way. Yes, definitely. Contentment, perfection, satisfaction is on the cards. I'm just repeating one more thing, pile number 2, that you have a habit maybe of just splurging unnecessarily, or maybe you start feeling that when you get finances, when you get money, you're not able to really hold on it, and you want to just do this. You want to put your feet in a lot of boats when you actually have the money. So make sure you make the correct choices. I just said you might be confused. So you might be in a situation where you might reach a situation where you really don't know what to do with that money, and you don't know how to balance it out, or whether to make buy this or put it here. So make that choice very wisely. Don't try to do everything with the same amount, or don't try to just put in your feet in all the boats at the same time. Whatever it is a limited amount, or you need to think and choose wisely regarding what you want to do with the finances. Otherwise, it just makes your situation messy, and it brings you a lot of burden, unnecessary burden. I already see that because of a past expenditure, or because of some kind of a financial move that you've made in the past. It is a temporary phase, but it's just making you feel extra burdened for no rhyme or reason, or maybe you're feeling extra worked up because you need to get that particular amount back. So please, to avoid this stress and the mess, make sure that whatever you do is really worth it. If you really have to invest this money, or if you really have to buy that particular car or laptop or whatever you thought of, make sure that it is really needed, so that it doesn't make you in this stress. Rest, I just see your financial situation is great. There is peace, there is prosperity coming in your life. And also, let's see what the Moonology cards are guiding you regarding your financial situation. Yes, so definitely there's a climax which is approaching. Like I said, that this is just a temporary phase for you, and things are just getting back to normal, whatever you've done. So believe in the impossible. Your situation will be great. If you're at this point in time, if you're feeling that your financials are a little haywire, or you're not in the right framework when it comes to your finances, be rest assured that you are safe, and things are absolutely going to happen the way you want them to. And I've already seen in the cards that you're just, in the next 28 days, things are coming back to normal. You're ready to make that move. Also, let me tell you, if people, you've thought of investing your money somewhere in a big venture, some kind of a business, I'm just making you, I'm just assuring you that this is the right time for you to do it. But make sure it's with the right people. The partnerships are with the right people. They are honest. That's very important in your situation. Rest, be assured that it's not going to be a failure. Your finances are not going to be going down the drain or anything. It's a wonderful time for you to take this risk, and you're very close to achieving your goal. That's also the Moonology cards are confirming that you are very close to achieving your goal. And just there's no point taking stress at the moment, or there's no point unnecessarily feeling overburdened, which I see you are, because nothing will come out of this kind of situation at the moment. And let me also tell you that the Moonology cards are assuring you that prosperity lies ahead. So you can be, just go and take that, just jump off the cliff or whatever, whether it's your new business that you're looking to, do, or you're doing some kind of an expansion, or you're investing your funds somewhere, make sure it's the right place and just go ahead. Balance is soon coming back to your life when it comes to your financial situation. Pile number 2. I hope the reading was resonant with you people, and please leave in your comments and feedbacks in the comment section. You could also send in your requests. Also, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings. Let's see now what we have for pile number 3 on the financial front. Please choose, think about your situation, people who've chosen pile number 3 regarding your finances, and let me just shuffle the cards for you and I'll then see what's in store, what lies for you regarding your finances. People who've chosen pile number 3, I definitely see you very stressed out at the moment when it comes to your finances. Some kind of a choice that you made has really not worked in favor for you when it comes to your financial situation. I see a lot of argument, I see a lot of quarreling, confusion at the moment. Things are going out of control for you. But again, let me assure you, very soon things are coming back to normal. Things are getting balanced out for you. Somebody might have, either been dishonest to you, or some third person has deceived you on some kind of a financial front. But yes, definitely things are not very positive for you at this particular time, and also in the past things have not really been great. But I see, with your determination, with your spirit of coming back, with your spirit of fighting back and being victorious again, I see your situations improving very soon. I also see partnerships, positive partnerships on the cards when it comes to finances, and I also see you being able to save your finances. People who've chosen this particular pile number 3, if you are males and you have chosen this pile, make sure that you try to involve your better half or a woman in this particular partnership, or try to keep some kind of a name of any lady, maybe your mother, maybe your spouse, but some lady who really is lucky for you. Women who've chosen this pile, be rest assured that you are definitely going to be able to secure your finances, but do not do anything in a rush. People who've chosen this pile, I know you are in a crisis situation or in a situation of extreme anxiety, stress. Maybe you're feeling very revengeful at the moment, but there is no point taking any kind of hasty decisions. For you to feel content in future, it is important to first think and plan and then go ahead. I see a lot of stress in your cards at the moment, and like I just said, that yes, somebody has betrayed you, somebody has been dishonest, there has been deception. It was just a phase, it is over now, but you're not being able to come out of it. So first of all, try to forget about that and try to see the future, get that determination and enthusiasm back in you. And also the future ahead when it comes to your financial situation, I am assuring you that you will be able to keep your finances with you. You will be able to again save your finances. Whatever is on your mind regarding your financial situation, you will be able to do that. You will be able to hold on to whatever you need to. Celebration is on the cards for you. Surrender to the divine, rest, just do your hard work. Don't bring in the feeling of revenge or any kind of negativity for anybody. You can just leave that to the Almighty and the divine to take care of what needs to be done regarding the revenge part. Just do your hard work, and I see you getting positive results. Also, I see a lot of stress at the moment for you, so you could just start taking salt water baths, rock salt baths. People who've chosen this particular pile, it will just help you ease off the stress. It will help you to work harder. I see you working very hard, and I see you getting successful. This is a struggling phase, but soon you will be out of this and the struggle gets over for you, and also you come out much more victorious and you know whom to trust, whom not to trust. It brings a lot of clarity to your mind. The clutter is going away. Black is black, white is white. The struggle definitely is making you stronger. People who've chosen this particular pile, and it's just a temporary phase. This had to happen. Maybe you had to learn your lesson or some kind of experiences that were in store for you. People who've chosen this particular pile. You will triumph over obstacles and stumbling blocks. Your ambitions itself will drive you forward and generate a lot of strength in you. It's already the Rider's Waite has already said that, and this is what the miracle cards are confirming. You will begin to heal. You will be gifted with the power to heal yourself. So whatever has happened in the past, please leave it. You need to surround your positive aura with people who are positive, and this positive aura will help you to repel negative thoughts and energies. Like I just said, there's a lot of negativity around you. Please have a bath with rock salt at least for the next 10 days. People are watching this reading, and whatever deception, whatever backbiting or whatever has happened in the past, just let it be. I see you establishing great spiritual growth, experiencing great spiritual growth, and this will definitely help you to overcome this negative phase. Be assured that the angels are watching and protecting you. Also, for a lot of you, I see travel is on the cards for your financial projects or some kind of financial development, positive development definitely. And I definitely see you coming out of this negative situation very soon. Don't be angry, like I just said. Don't think about your, what you need to do with this person or how you need to tackle with them. That let the Almighty do it. Learn to overcome your anger. Luck is on your side. The angels are definitely passing over you from now on. So make sure that you're in a positive attitude and let the angels pass on the good luck to you so that you're able to fulfill your dreams. And it's miracles. Expect miracles and inner guidance when it comes to your situation. And this particular card is extremely promising for your promotions as well as your career growth and financial growth. So just whatever has happened, let go and move ahead. Pile number 3, I just said that the struggle is just for a very short time. The final outcome is definitely very positive for you when it comes to your financial situation. Yes, blessings are with you. That's the last card, and it's very amazing to see how both my cards, both my tarot decks are saying exactly the same thing for you. Pile number 3, have faith in the Almighty, surrender to the divine, and leave aside all the negativities that have come in your life or whatever you've gone through. Just leave it. Expect new beginnings and expect miracles coming your way. This is the time for you to seek inner guidance for your own spiritual growth, which will help you in your future endeavors. That's very important. And like I just said, finances are definitely getting better. Balance is coming back in your life in a very short time. So that was for you, pile number 3. I hope the reading was resonant with you. I hope it was beneficial and helpful too. And please leave your comments, feedback in the comment section. Also, you could send in your feedbacks. Also, you can send in your requests for me to do readings for you. I'll try my best to do general readings. So you can send in your requests also. And please stay tuned to my channel. I'll be putting in more videos soon. And please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be signing off now. Take care and stay safe. Thank you so much once again.